Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to start a formal email. So, first of all, we need to make an email. So, let's go for example to Gmail, and here I will show you how to make a formal email. Let's go first to like any website here in the URL and search for like formal email example. And basically here I will click on this website and then I will just like copy whatever I want from here. So I can copy, for example, this one, email body. Let's choose whatever you want. So let's choose something interesting. For example, this one. So here it goes for announcements, for example, and copy it. Go to your email. Go to compose. You must here put to whom you want to send this email, and then here the subject. So let me just paste here real quick. You move this subject from here, paste it here, you move it from here, leave this dear team over there. So here we go, and here all you need to do is I am pleased to introduce you to your name, who is starting today as a customer support representative, etc. And she will be provided. So we can make here, for example, here Jessica. So this is an example, and here free to greet Jessica here as well. So Jessica, and here you must put your name. So for example here Lori, and basically over here the job title. So just like that, you have actually made a formal email, and all you things that you need to do is fix like the text of this, so makes it like back normal like other text, and then over here just put the email, the ones that you want them to receive your email. For example, something support dot team dot co, something like that, or something like that. So yeah guys, that's how you can actually make a formal email. Thanks a lot for watching and see ya in the next tutorial.